Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 114 Huron Street here in Springfield, Massachusetts.
If you're in the market for an adorable brick 3-bedroom ranch located on a corner lot in East Springfield, then you gotta come see this one. Let's go inside.
This property includes so many features, including a master bedroom with ensuite, large living room with brick fireplace and custom built-in shelves. With an updated kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and first floor laundry, you don't want to miss this one.
And don't forget about the 2 charming porches, perfect for all seasons. Outside we feature an oversized garage that offers more than just a place to park your vehicle.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 114 Huron Street here in Springfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at Revithis Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.